Here's how to create a custom video in 60 seconds with Lucas. First, enter your prompt and select your video length. Second, review the content and choose a call to action and your video format. Then, click Create Video and watch Lucas do his thing. Finally, select one of the 4 finished videos. An optional step is to edit the colors, narrator, music, text, footage, and more. Did you know Lucas offers over 100 language options? You can also choose from a wide variety of footage options. Buy your video to remove the watermark, and your new video is ready to share. And now you've created and shared a custom video in 60 seconds with Lucas, a text-to-video AI.